Today, we raise a question that concerns every customer. Are we made to pay for something that should be free? Imagine you're sitting in a diner or a restaurant and you have to pay a few extra bucks only for a bottle of water. Whereas, according to the law, the restaurant should provide clean and drinking water at no cost. We take this question in the streets of Shillong. Are we too uncomfortable to demand what's rightfully ours?
Previously, what we used to see, if we sit in the restaurant and give some order for any foods item and all, they used to serve the water free of cost. Now what happened in the hotels, restaurants, they used to provide you the water bottles, and at the time of billing, they used to take the cost of that water bottle, which they are not supposed to take from the customer. So far, I think. So if there is any, so in that case, any consumer, any customer can lodge and complain before the consumer. Then consumer court will examine the matter. If it falls under the consumer category, then they will definitely take the necessary action.
This is absolutely right. We also paid in restaurant dinner and lunch 2,000, 3,000. This 10 rupees is not big thing, but this is our right कि ये हमारा जो अधिकार है कि हम 10 रुपए इसके बोतल के जो देते हैं ये ठीक नहीं है. This is not a good thing. But they also charge us 10 rupees. But why should we pay it? This is absolutely wrong. This is not a good thing.
It depends, like restaurant to restaurant. Okay, like they provide mineral waters, but as per I think like they should not charge for the mineral water because we're paying for the food also. Okay, like sometimes when we ask them like give normal water, so they say like they give some more other excuses for that. They say either there is some issue with the machine or something, or they just avoid it. Like they charge for the water. Like they shouldn't, I think so, charge for the water.
I also agree with you totally that mineral water should also be provided free in all the restaurants, as we are already paying for the food and all the. So this is a common hospitality that a restaurant should provide with that for us. And recently, one thing happened with me, and in fact, they should avoid plastic mineral water bottles. They should give in some restaurants. It has been, we have seen that they have started giving in a glass bottles. सो आई प्रेफर दैट बिकॉज क्योंकि वो जो पानी हमारे लिए वो पैसे भी हम दे रहे हैं और वो प्लास्टिक भी है जो वेस्टेज ऑफ है, जो एनवायरनमेंट के लिए वेस्टेज हो रहा है और एनवायरनमेंट फ्रेंडली भी नहीं है. तो हमें वो ग्लास वाला बॉटल यूज़ करना चाहिए एंड दे शुड गिव अस वाटर फ्री एज वी आर ऑलरेडी पेइंग. एंड क्या होता है कि मिनरल वाटर जब देते हैं हाफ वी ड्रिंक हाफ वी लिव, तो वो वेस्टेज भी है एक तरह से. तो ये चीज़ अवॉइड करना चाहिए हर एक रेस्टोरेंट को. और रिसेंटली अभी मेरे साथ हुआ था, मैं गुवाहाटी में एक रेस्टोरेंट में गई थी, तो उन्होंने मिनरल वाटर प्रोवाइड किया. तो आई आस्क्ड देम कि हमें रेगुलर वाटर चाहिए. तो ही सेड दैट देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम इन अ वाटर मशीन, so we cannot provide you with the regular water. So I said that if you cannot provide regular water to us, then you should give us water free. Why are you charging for us? तो ये चीज़ है कि ये स्टॉप होना चाहिए, because we should save our environment and we should live in a friendly environment, and wastage is always, I say no to wastage and no to plastic.
I have seen that as well, that they have kept, mineral water bottle or packaged drinking water bottle. And that too not smaller bottles. It will be a 1 liter or maybe 500 ml or whatever. And no provision of the safe drinking water, maybe AquaGuard filtered water or something. So I think, it should be customers, if they want to take a risk of having that water, that safe filtered water to drink, they can always have the opportunity to do that. But then again, it depends upon the customers that they have to they can make a choice whether they want that packaged drinking water or they want to have that safe filtered water. It's up to them. But options should be available.
The voices from the street made it clear. It isn't about just 10 rupees. It's about awareness, rights and accountability. This is Niharika Chaudhary for Hub News signing off.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot ega snong nongi kwayo sngo bhan ega snong the lakot kalayat dikila pen sngo hina snong ki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ruki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ya ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala ban wan kane kawai ka project bi ki don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kanungut ki bay yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha kajalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan let shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan let shaki local. Other than that, kashulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka bapi amnot ngiru hang ni Shuaban take up yung project. Hindi ban sutu bakla. Habang warra yaki investment. Habang warra yaki bakum kini project. Nget yang nga opi kabakadu ka jing mantoy. Kanlong yangi ki konsama.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.